Hey guys, I'm going to try to do this with a better extension cord. I just made this myself. It's 12.3, just under 30 feet of extension cable. And I just put a plug-in on here and we'll test it, make sure that the cable is good. But I want to show you how this connects to the L5 receiver output plug on the Honda, which is rated for 13.3 amps. That's the max that this thing can put out, so about 1500 or 1600 watts. Okay, this is only rated for 15 amps and this is for 30 amps, so should be good. And this is just going to plug in right there and lock in place. But in the interim, we're going to make sure that this cable is good. So let's unplug this. Okay, this is hot. This wall outlet is hot here. Okay, take my fancy dancy tester here. I'm gonna set the camera down right here. Good to go. Okay. Good and tight too. I like that. Alright, so that's good to go. Alright, let's see if this is going to work. Alright, let's see if this works. Because it's hot out and it's cloudy. I'm not making solar power, so what the hey. You know, the whole purpose of this thing is not to show that I can do solar power and also have a generator and all this. So this portable generator is used as a backup to my solar for cloudy days and at SHTF. Looks like it works. It was the cable. Let's see how many watts I'm pulling off this thing. 954. See how many amps? 7.8 amps. And the voltage drop is a little bit. How about that? Going down. Alright, you get the idea. It's going cold. See how many watts pull in here. 970 watts. Almost 8 amps. Sweet!